Hello, Sir Parts Online subscribers. Welcome to Sir Parts Online and welcome to Sir Parts I Teach and Learn Machine Learning in W3 schools. And yeah, shout out to all our subscribers out there. Thank you very much for watching the video and I hope you learn our last topic is all about mean, median, and mode. And also we also discuss about data set and the database and the types of numbers that we're dealing with the categorical with the ordinal and the uh, what's that the categorical the ordinal and the number one the number which is there are two types of number which is just a review what's that okay are we seeing are we now no not yet okay there you go my apologies for that so last time is we study about the mode no the mean the median and the mode. And before that, we also study about the getting started. We talk about the data set, the data types, numerical, categorical, and ordinal. Okay, that's the three numbers, guys. And we discuss about mean, the median, and the mode. And right now, we are going to study about the standard deviation. So what is standard deviation? Standard deviation is a number that describes how spread out the values are. A low standard deviation means that the most numbers are close to the mean. A high standard deviation means that the values are spread out over a wider range. Example, this time we have registered the speed of 7 cars. No? So the speed 86, 87, 88, 86, 87, 85, 86. The standard deviation is zero point 0.9, meaning that the most values are within the range of zero point 0.9 from the mean value, which is 86.4. Let us do the same with the selection of numbers with a wider range. Speed 32, 111, 138, 58, 59, 77, and 97. And the standard deviation is 37.85. So meaning that most of the values are within the range of 37.85 from the mean of the value, which is 77.4. As you can see, a higher standard deviation indicates the values are spread out over a wider range. So, okay, so you have to remember this. Low standard deviation means that the most of the numbers are close to the mean, and if the value high standard deviation, the values are spread out over a wide range. So this one this is zero point 0.9. This is a low standard deviation. The 37.85 is a very high standard deviation. So we use the NumPy module to have the standard deviation of our speed. You can see here. You just click here, and this is the code. We import NumPy. We know already that one in our previous videos, and we know how we have the different speeds right here. And to compute for the standard deviation is you use this one. We create a variable x, wherein this is the storage of our value of the standard deviation of the speed, and we display the value, and the result is zero point 0.9. So that's it, guys, for the standard deviation. So it's easy now. It's very easy. Let's go to another example. We also have here a standard deviation for the values that are very far. Okay, so we have the standard deviation of the answer for this is 37.845, the standard deviation of these particular values. Okay, so okay, variance. What is variance? Variance is another number that indicates how spread out the values are. In fact, if you take the square root of the variance, you get the standard deviation. And or the other way around, if you multiply the standard deviation by itself, you get the variance. So to calculate the variance, you have to do as follows. First, find the mean. So you're going to add all the data, you divide it by 7, and you get 77.4. For each value, find the difference from the mean. So what you will do is, you have here 32 minus 77.4, you have negative 45.4, 111 minus 77.4 equals 33.6. 138 minus 77.4 equals 60.6, and so on. So after that, for each difference, find the square value. So you need to multiply negative 4.5. You have a positive value here. If you, since you're going to multiply negative by negative, it will become a positive. So you have here, you round it up to compute, and the variance is the average number of these square differences. So you add it up and you divide, which the result is 1432.2. Luckily, this is very difficult. Yeah, it's very difficult, guys, to compute for this. Sometimes you mistype a number and you will have a difficult result. We're very lucky we have NumPy has a method for this one, and this is the value for our variance. This is the code, guys, for our variance. It's very easy. X equals numpy.var. So numpy.var, you can now compute the variance of the speed. The variance is 1432. Okay, a standard deviation. As we have learned, the formula to find the standard deviation is the square root of the variance. So the square root of 1432.25 is 37.85. So this is somewhat similar with the use of our numpy.std. You can use the standard deviation method to find the standard deviation, or you can use the variance to solve. You just have the square root of that variance, and you will get same result. Okay, symbol. Standard deviation is often represented by the symbol sigma, and variance is often represented by the symbol sigma squared. So, which is bigger, variance or standard deviation? Which has a bigger value, bigger number, the variance or the standard deviation? Yes, you're right. The variance has a bigger value because it is a double value of our standard deviation. Okay, so standard deviation and variance are terms that are often used in machine learning, so it is important to understand how to get them and the concept behind them. Thank you very much, guys. This is Sir Parts, and I hope and pray that you know how to compute for the standard deviation and the variance in this particular tutorial. By the way, guys, I'd like to thank you for being here in our third parts I teach Learn Machine Learning in W3 Schools. I'd like also to thank W3 Schools for having a free platform for learning. And yeah, guys, free platform for learning, and they also have certifications if you want, no? They also have their certifications after learning for free, and you may take the certification exam in order for you to be certified. Yeah, thank you, guys. Always remember, learning is lifetime. Bye, everyone.